Hello everyone and welcome to Explode Maths. Today we have to solve this exponential equation 4 raised to power 1 minus x plus 4 raised to power 1 plus x is equal to 10, and we have to find the value of x. So let us see the solution. So here in first step we can apply rule of exponents, as we know that 8 power m over a to power n is equal to a to power m minus n, or another rule is a to power m times a to power n is equal to a to power m plus n. So according to these rules, here we can write these values in this way: 4 to power 1 over 4 to power x plus 4 to power 1 times 4 to power x is equal to 10. So now here next we will let 4 to power x equal to y. So now this equation will be 4 over y plus 4 times y is equal to 10. And now what will we do next is we will multiply the whole equation with y. So here it will be 4 over y times y plus 4 times y times y is equal to 10 times y. So now here this y will cancel out this y, and here left is 4 plus 4 times y will be y square is equal to 10y, or we can write 4y square minus 10y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will divide the whole equation by 2. So now here the equation will be 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. So now here we have a form of quadratic equation, and we can solve it by either quadratic formula or by factorization. So by factorization we have to choose two numbers whose product will be, as here 2 times 2 is 4, 4y square, whose product should be 4y square, or whose sum should be minus 5y. So now here if we will take two numbers minus 4 and minus 1, their product will be 4 and their sum will be minus 5. So here we will factorize the equation in this way: 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Or from here these two values we can take 2y as common, so here left is y minus 2 minus, from here we will take minus 1 as common, so here left is y minus 2 equal to 0. Or here we will write, as here this term is repeating, so here it will be common as y minus 2 times here left is 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Now here we can see that there are two factors that are equal to 0. So there will be two solutions further, y minus 2 equal to 0 or 2y minus 1 equal to 0, or here y will be equal to positive 2, or here 2y is equal to positive 1, or y is equal to 1 over 2. That are the values of y. So now here we will recall as we have assumed 4 to power x is equal to y. So here when y is equal to 2, so here 4 to power x will be equal to 2, or we can write this 4 is same as 2 square to power x is equal to 2, or 2 to power, this power will multiply, 2x is equal to 2 to power 1. So now here since bases are same, so we can equate the powers. So here 2x will be equal to 1, or x will be equal to 1 over 2. And now here when y is equal to 2, so here 4 to power x will be equal to 1 over 2, or we can write this 4 to power x is same as 2 to power 2x, as here that will be equal to 2 to power negative 1. And now here again we can see that since the bases are same, so we can equate the powers, that are 2x is equal to negative 1, or x will be equal to negative 1 over 2. So now here the values of x are positive half and negative half. I hope you would have liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.